Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Tradestation versus Oanda. This is going to be a comprehensive comparison between Tradestation and Oanda, two leading platforms in the world of online trading. In this video we'll dive into the key features, strengths and differences between these platforms to help you decide which one best suits your trading needs. Let's begin with an overview of both platforms and the target audience they cater to. Tradestation is renowned for its advanced trading tools and features, making it an excellent choice for active traders and professionals seeking sophisticated analytics and execution capabilities. On the other hand, Oanda prides itself on its user-friendly interface and accessibility, making it appealing to traders of all levels, from beginners to seasoned investors. Market access and instrument coverage. Access to markets and a wide range of financial instruments is essential for traders. Let's see how Tradestations and Oanda compare in this aspect. Tradestation provides access to a diverse range of financial markets, including stocks, options, futures, and forex, catering to traders with varied interests and preferences. Meanwhile, Oanda specializes in forex trading, offering access to over 70 currency pairs and providing traders with a comprehensive forex trading experience. Next, let's explore the trading platforms and tools offered by Tradestation and Oanda. Tradestation offers a range of robust trading platforms, including desktop and web-based platforms equipped with advanced charting tools and customizable indicators. Oanda's leading platform is known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive design featuring powerful analysis tools and real-time market data to assist traders in making informed decisions. Execution speed and pricing. Execution speed and pricing are critical factors that can impact trading performance. Let's compare Tradestation and Oanda in terms of execution and pricing. Tradestation offers direct market access and competitive pricing with a commission-based fee structure for certain asset classes. Ensuring traders receive fast and efficient order distribution, Oanda provides competitive spreads and a transparent pricing model, allowing traders to have access to forex market with competitive pricing and a minimum trading cost. Lastly, let's consider customer support and education resources, which are essential for traders seeking assistance and learning opportunities. Tradestation offers comprehensive customer support, including live chat, phone support, and a knowledge base, ensuring traders receive timely and assistance when needed. Oanda provides an array of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis tools, to help traders enhance their trading skills and knowledge. As we conclude our comparison, both Tradestation and Oanda offer unique features and advantages for traders of all levels. Your choice ultimately depends on your trading style, preferences, and specific needs. Whether you're an active trader or a beginner, both platforms are suitable. However, for a beginner, Tradestation is a much better option because it lets you dive deep into other options as well. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Happy trading. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let us know if you want us to see make any more new videos.